This question deals with the idea that financial institutions have come to realize that there is a huge market of female investors in the that there is a huge market of female investors, and that it has been left untapped because of the earlier stereotype that men control the financial decisions and not women, whereas this stereotype today is out of date. Right. So the option that summarizes this given paragraph is aptly is option B, which states that it's beginning to dawn on financial institutions that women represent a huge untapped market of potential investors. Right. Now, option A says, although women now control a large portion of any country's wealth, they are being neglected at everyone's peril. Now, they are being neglected at everyone's peril. Well, the passage makes no reference to peril or any kind of danger in neglecting them. Secondly, this option is limited because it does not talk about financial institutions having come to realize that there is a huge market of female investors in the market. So therefore, option A can be eliminated. Option C states, banks are trying to be more sensitive to the burgeoning market comprising of female investors and its different needs and aspirations. Now, this option again is very limited because it talks about banks, whereas the passage deals with the larger financial institution, and therefore option C is also limited. Option D says financial planning has been a gender issue till date. Again, it is limited because it does not talk about financial institutions trying to tap female investors' potential, and therefore option D can also be eliminated, and hence the correct answer is option B.